We've just about got everything about 90% set up. We're in the lakes this weekend camping with some friends of ours who just nipped off with their little one. Got a new TikTok shop table set up and a couple of pot noodles because it's just something simple and easy. Finish setting up and then see what there is to do on this site.
Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Ain't no face I recognize, and my baby can't be found. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the
What's this about? What has mine got?
What have you got?
Wicked.
Put it in then.
Wicked.
What it is? Once you put it in there, it boils. We've just come back from the lake. I'm just going to get some food on now. I've not filmed much down there because I forgot my camera, basically. So we're going to get some food on now, like I just said. We're going to make a chili nachos for tonight's tea. Just for some context, I've been waiting to use this TikTok shop table for about 3 weeks now, so I was kind of excited.
Get careful on, son.
Everybody's got a TikTok table. One by Lumans.
Anyone want balloon bands? When you're ready, yeah, in your own time. Come on.
2.
One. So, a bit of a salsa thing.
Just on time.
Shut up. Oh, sorry.
What about any salsa and guacamole and all that malarkey? Just had our food. We're just relaxing here for a minute. It's like in between. It's a little bit too warm to get a fire going, but it's also it gets quite cool when the wind picks up. So just got to wait a little bit longer. Then we're going to get a fire going. It would have been. So we're just getting our breakfast ready now. I've helped pack our friends who are leaving today. There's a lot leaving today actually, so it's going to be a bit more space to do whatever we want to do. I think we're going to head up into, where is it, Pewley Bridge? Somewhere to get some stuff. And then we'll come back and see what's going to happen for the rest of the day. After we'd had our breakfast, we headed off and got the things that we needed. When we came back, the weather wasn't too great, so we spent a bit of time in the tent just playing some games to pass a bit of the time away. So we're just coming out now to do a little bit of fishing. We brought our rod because we know we're near Ullswater Lake in the Lake District. Just going to try and find somewhere we can actually fish because it's pretty shallow at the edge. Just see if we can pass a bit of time doing that. It's a bit of a walk from where we are, but nothing else to do, so we might as well. Even though it's Ullswater Lake, and it is probably deep as anything in the middle. Around these edges here is just so shallow. So there's probably not going to be any fish. Just when people are paddleboarding over the top and everything. Got to take pal. We're just heading to a little rope swing that we brought the kids to when they were a lot smaller. We camped on this campsite here just behind. We went for a walk one day at the side of this lake, Ullswater, and there were a rope swing. We had a little play on it, and it's still here today, which is crazy. Probably about 5-6 years on. So we'll have a go at that. Why is it? Those sticks not very big, is it?
He looks like he's dying.
I just keep seeing a big frigate coming at me.
I know, Riley, you do.
Bumps back.
No! Oh!
So I'm just debating whether to set up a little bit of a shelter with our tarp for when we're having a fire tonight, because the wind's picked up slightly. There's no windbreaks this time. We forgot. We didn't forget them. We just said, we won't need them. It's not going to be windy, but it's a bit too windy to just have a fire. So maybe I'm going to have to set one of them up now. Alright.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you good?
Yeah. Right up.
You know, I'm just going to suck it off. Just going to get this fire going and get it raw ready. Whoa. Hopefully. We're probably going to go just down to 2 things.
Your tweet fire's on. If you wanna.
Just finished breakfast now. I'm going to start packing everything away, collapsing it down, because it's come to the end of the trip. If you like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.